was a beautiful bird, okay, and she lived in a deep forest. Okay, she had a shiny feathers, and she was a very kind-hearted bird. Okay, early every morning she sings a song and makes everyone smile. You know, and do you know that little bird was she was the most happiest bird in the whole jungle. Okay, that's why the title of the story is A Joyful Bird. You know, what is the meaning of joyful? Can anyone tell me? Joyful? Happy, yes, a happy bird. Okay, but this little bird had a very strange habit. Do you know what is that strange habit? She had the habit that she used to collect the memories in a form of stone. Okay? Like every day, whatever she saw, whatever she heard, whatever she felt, whatever she had the experience, according to that, she used to collect the pebble. Like for good memories, she used to collect the white pebbles. And for the bad memories, she used to collect the grey color pebble. Okay? So for good memories, what color pebble she is collecting? Which color? White, yes. And for the bad memories? Grey color. Very good, very good. आप लोग सुन रहे हो यानी मेरी बातें. Okay, so every day she was collecting and she was really enjoying it. At the initial days, she was enjoying that. Okay, she was collecting the pebbles and she was really enjoying it. But as the days passes, children, what happened? Because of that heavy bag, she got affected because she cannot fly much high up in the sky. Why? What was the reason? Can anyone guess? What was the reason why she was not able to fly high up in the sky? Yes, because of the heavy bag. Yes. So, because of her heavy bag, she was not able to fly high up in the sky. Earlier, she used to fly here and there. She used to enjoy every moment. But because of her heavy bag, now she can't do. Okay. But she didn't notice this. She continued collecting the good memories pebble and the bad memories pebble. Okay. And week pass, days passes. Because of that heavy memory bag, she got tired. Her wings started act. उसके जो feathers थे, आप उसका साथ नहीं दे पा रहे थे. Okay? वो आसमान में उड़ नहीं पा रही थी. और मैं ऐसा करूँगी कि जो चिड़िया थी, छोटी सी चिड़िया, उसकी उड़ान अब वो भर नहीं पा रही थी. ठीक है? She was like totally tired. Like she was not left with any energy. And ultimately, as the days passes, as the month passes, as the year passes, she, like her memory bag, has crushed her and had taken her life from her. Okay? So, how was the ending of the story? It's good or bad? No, she lost her life because of her memories, carrying memories. Yes, bad. Okay, she died ultimately. Right? So, we are not having the happy ending in this story. So, what is the moral I wanted to give you through this story? The moral of the story is, the memories are meant to guide you, not to hold you back. We should always live in our present. We should enjoy our present. Right now, Shalu ma'am is narrating you a sweet story to enjoy this moment. Don't give much thought what will going to happen in your future or whatever happened in your past. Right? ज़्यादा नहीं सोचना है. जो हो गया और जो होने वाला है वो हुआ नहीं है. तो हमें अपना जीवन present पे, we should always think about our present. Then only we will be happy. नहीं तो बर्ड की तरह हो जाएंगे हम लोग. Okay? We will get tired from inside. overthink करके कि what happened with me. अगर कुछ bad memories होती है तो we should learn from that mistake. Okay? And never hold you back. You should fly high up in the sky. You should move forward. So thank you Riyanshi, thank you Shnedita for that ad. That's all for today. Thank you.